Hi, so we have the Diathor Flowable powder here, and this is the applicator kit. So we have these little funnels that come flat. They're quite easy to make up. You just roll them into this cylinder shape here, and it just gets applied into the vial. So I'm just going to move this out the way for a second just to show you. So the 500 grams comes in these containers. Obviously they're resealable and stuff. This dust is very light, so when we fill it, we just want to scoop it up inside this little vial that we're talking about, give it a tap, and as you can see, it's gone down into there very easily. We'll just do it again, and that's it. So I've just got some dust inside this cylinder here, and then it's just a case of screwing it back onto the applicator, and that's it. That is your flowable powder ready to go. Okay, we have the flowable powder inside the applicator. So this is a complete kit here. You've also got a dusting brush here for when you're doing areas also, and inside the kit, this is just the part that holds all your applicator together. There's a few different fittings in here. So we just take this end stopper off, and it screws on. And this is a great little device, this. So as you can see, it's extendable. So when we're applying the dust, just make sure you've got the applicator the correct way up. So on the lid here, it's actually, I don't know if you can see that, it's numbered from 1 to 5. So this will give you the different flow rates on your dust applicator. And I'll just give it a puff here, and you can see how effective this actually is. So hopefully you can see the dust coming out of there. It's a good flow. So on the here, just to give you an idea on the application. So as I say, make sure you have the applicator the correct way up. And then, as I say, this is telescopic on the end here. So as you can see, if I extend that right out, we can put that underneath the electrical appliance and just give it a puff with the duster. You probably can't see that on the camera, but I can just see a little bit of dust appear in there. And then that's how you go around in like a kitchen area, for example, and you put it under again, and you can go into a few different areas. But having this telescopic lens on it is very handy, that's for sure. All right, no problem. Thank you for watching.